Flight is one of our most inspired accomplishments as a species, and we owe that development to birds and to bird-obsessed inventors like Da Vinci and the Wright brothers. At Haptic Lab, we've been obsessed with avian flight for years. An ornithopter is a flying machine that uses flapping wing motion to fly, just like a real bird. The Flying Martha ornithopter uses a simple twisted rubber band to flap its wings. No batteries needed. Each bird is made by hand from bamboo and mulberry paper, super lightweight and strong materials that have been used for centuries by kite makers. Simple adjustments allow you, the pilot, to tinker with every aspect of the Flying Martha's flight, encouraging physical play and problem solving. Made in the likeness of the extinct passenger pigeon and named in honor of the last of her species, the Flying Martha is symbolic of humanity's role in a rapidly changing world. Like our other projects at Haptic Lab, the Flying Martha ornithopter celebrates the spirit of invention and discovery essential to humanity's survival.